Have you ever tried making fried rice with minced beef? Alright, I'm going to show you how I made this recipe. It is so delicious. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is to add some oil in a pan and then put the minced or ground beef. Yeah, this particular one is mostly used for making burger, but I used it for this recipe and it was very good. Okay, so we'll be seasoning the beef with salt, garlic, thyme, pepper, just basic ingredients. So this meal, I actually made it on a Saturday. I just woke up one Saturday and I was like, I don't know what to prepare for my family and I needed to eat something different. I don't know if it happens to any other person, but for me, sometimes I just wake up and I want something entirely different. So I just decided to conjure this meal and it was amazing. So I just added my onions, ginger, habanero pepper. This is the hot habanero pepper. Yeah, the yellow one. It's spicy and it has a good flavor. So I'm just going to let the meat steam or fry. I don't know what I'm going to call this now, but I'm just going to let the meat cook. Okay, and then let it break up, so that all the ingredients can penetrate into the whole sauce. Yeah. So guys, I can call this a Chinese fried rice, right? Because when I was in China, I realized that the Chinese people like to eat rice a lot. Yes, and they have like 2 or more kinds of fried rice. They have their chicken fried rice, beef fried rice. Even though the beef is not going to be as plenty as this beef, you can count the beef in it, but okay, just make it to your taste. That's when you're eating in a restaurant, the beef will be scanty, but this one, the beef is loaded. Okay, so I just said, let me replicate this. The only ingredient I didn't add to complete this and make it a Chinese recipe is soy sauce. Yeah, I have soy sauce, but I really don't like it, so I don't use it all the time. All right, so this is my frozen veggies. I'm just going to introduce it into the already cooked meat. The meat is properly done and the flavor is everywhere. Okay, at this point, I realized my frying pan was too small to make the fried rice. I had to transfer it into another saucepan. Okay, so I'll be introducing the boiled rice right now, and the aroma, the flavor is given. Like, it's so nice, very, very nice. I tell you, if you just want a quick recipe that will make your family ask for more, just try this recipe. Try it and you will come back with your testimony. Okay, you know me very well. If you know me, I love variety. I don't like eating one particular thing over and over again. I love variety, and this one was a hit. Trust me guys, you're going to love this recipe. So guys, you can see how delicious this meal looks. It was really delicious and the flavor was just so nice. I hope you guys will try this recipe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.